Welcome. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to accept a delegate invitation on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This new update has made managing delegate access a lot smoother, so let's walk through each step carefully. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Log into your account if you aren't signed in already. Once you're on your homepage, look toward the left sidebar and click on the More icon. This will open a drop-down menu that gives you access to additional settings and options. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all of your account controls. Inside Settings and Privacy, click on Security and Account Access. This section is where X manages login permissions, connected apps, and now delegate access. From here, select Delegate. This is the new option introduced in the latest update. It's where you can view and manage accounts that you've delegated to others, as well as any accounts that have delegated access to you. Now, click on Accounts Delegated to You. Under this section, you'll see two parts, one for active delegations and another labeled Pending Invites. The Pending Invites section is where you'll find any X account that has invited you to become a delegate for their profile. Look for the account name or handle of the user who sent the invitation. Once you've found it, click Accept or the checkmark icon beside it. This action confirms that you're accepting the delegate invitation, allowing you to manage that account's activity based on the permissions provided. After accepting, the account will move from the Pending Invites section to the active list, confirming that delegation is successfully set up. You can now assist with posting, managing notifications, or handling other shared tasks depending on what the original account owner allows. That's it. You've now learned how to accept a delegate invitation on XWeb through your PC. If this video helped, make sure to check out other tutorials for more updates and features available on X's latest version.